So guys, let's do a magic.
Bro, then will you fly for me?
I mean, let's turn this picture from this to this. No more talks, no more nonsense. Straightly get into the video and roll the intro. So you can see the picture on the screen. What is missing in this picture is the basic adjustments. Whenever you do color correction in Lightroom, you should focus on the basic color correction. Everyone will do it as usually, but still some few of them will directly go into the editing part of the picture. No, it is a mistake. You have to give attention on the basics and basic color correction like brightness, contrast, highlights, and those kind of things. So first what I'm going to do is adjust the contrast. Let's turn it to 20 and highlight. Then bring the shadow down and the whites. So the difference between whites is white will control overall pictures exposure, but the highlight will only point the highlights where the skin and these kind of areas, the highlights you can see. It will only give concentration on the highlight part of the picture, but the white will overall pictures white will adjust. So keep it in your mind. And let's go to the blacks. I'm going to decrease the black so it will pop up the picture and give some contrast in picture. Let's make it minus 35 or move towards your left. And for this picture I'm going to increase some clarity like 5, and I don't want any saturation or desaturation. For curve, make it an S curve because it will bring some life into your picture like this. There are some noise due to my corrections. I'll remove it later. This is the main part of the editing, which is HSL section. So what I'm thinking is to make this picture into orange and teal look. So let me do some color corrections like orange and teal. I'm keeping that into mind. For orange and teal, we should have some greens to orange towards orange and blues towards teal. Let's see how I can turn. I'm going to drag the yellow towards left. By that it will affect only greens, and going to drag green towards left like this. And we should touch aqua. There is no aqua in this. Here it is changing like aqua. And let's turn the blue in towards your left. You can see it on this picture. See, turn your blue towards the left, and we already got some major difference in this picture. While doing orange and teal, what is the main thing is getting blues towards teal and getting greens towards orange, or your background towards orange. For that, in Lightroom we can go to the calibration, color calibration, and now what I'm going to do is bring the blue primary towards your left. I think you can see the difference between dragging it and do the opposite to the green. Bring it towards your right, and also red towards your right, little right. I think now you can see the major changes, but still we are missing some of the spice on this picture. That is what total color correction is. This much you can play with anything like calibration. You can go move this towards left and make some teal look. make some pink look and move towards your light. So you can change something like this. It depends on you and your picture. It doesn't matter for now. And what I'm going to do is, so the brightness is coming from this side, so here they should have some shadow. What I'm going to do is bring some exposure down, so it will feel like shadow towards the opposite side of brightness, because the brightness is coming from this side. Or else you can do some brightness like this. See, it feels like sun is coming from here. Make it warm, so it will convert it into orange. And here you can do it teal. Done. For overall picture, you can make the temperature towards your left to get teal look. If you want a warm look, you can do the opposite like this. For now, I'm going with -5 because I need some teal look, and I'll paint some areas to be orange. For those areas, I'm going with warm look, like on the grass, on the green sides, this kind. I think now you can see the difference between before and after. After this, what I'm going to do is reduce some noise on this picture. We have some noise by doing some adjustments. For noise, you can come under details section here and bring the noise level to the right, towards your right. I think you can see the noise, and bring the color noise if there is a pixel break in your picture. Okay, now it's good. And also you can put this, click here and drag it into like this, and invert, bring the exposure, invert, bring the exposure towards your left, and bring the highlights. We don't want to highlight to be black. I think you're getting.